Welcome to the Study Corner. What is an article? Articles are words that identify noun as being specific or unspecific. An article is an adjective. Like adjectives, articles modify nouns. In English, there are three articles, a, and the. A goes before words that begin with consonants, and goes before words that begin with vowels. Use the with any noun when the meaning is specific. Let's see some sentences. English teacher is absent today. Here, English teacher is specific. So here we write the. I saw dash accident of dash car. Here, accident is starting from a vowel word a. So here we write an. And car is a normal word, so here we write a. I saw dash bird sitting on dash tree in front of my house. Here bird is a normal word, so here we write a. And tree is also a normal word, so here we write a. Dash movie is perfect. Here movie is specific, so here we write the. Thanks for watching.